Hello, welcome to Smart Tech YouTube channel. Today we will discuss what is freelancing. You may be wondering, so what is freelancing? Freelancing means to work as an independent company rather than be employed by someone else. Freelancers are self-employed and often referred to as independent contractors. Freelancers are hired by other companies on a part-time or short-term basis, but they do not receive the same compensation as full-time employees or have the same level of commitment to any particular company. With the rise of gig economy, people are talking about freelancing more than ever before, and that's because there are more freelancers today than there have ever been in history. By Upwork and Freelancer Union shows that 57 million Americans freelanced in 29. And according to the same study, 53% of workers aged 18 to 22 are freelancing. Other terms of freelancing. Not everyone uses the term freelance or freelancer when it comes to work that a freelancer may do. In fact, even most freelancers refer to themselves as self-employed. So other terms you may want to be aware of that relate to freelancing include contract work, jobs where you are working to fulfill a short-term or part-time contract job, same as above. Independent contractor. This is the IRS classification of freelancing. Contract consultant. This term refers to an consultant coming in under a 1019 contract for a short period of time. Contract to hire. Sometimes freelancers are interested in full-time employed. Contract to hire roles provide a short or test period for freelancers before they are hired full-time. Why is it called freelancing? The term freelance dates back to 18 when a freelance referred to a medieval mercenary who would fight for whichever nation a person paid them the most. The term lance referred to the long weapon that knights on horseback used to knock opponents off of their horses. How does freelancing work? Freelancers accept payment in return for providing some short service. That agreement is generally part-time or short-term. For example, if I hired a photographer to take new headshots for me, I could pay a freelancer for that session and that would be the end of it. Sometimes people pay freelancers to work a set number of hours per week or per month. That arrangement is often referred to as a retainer. A retainer refers to when you retain the service or rights to someone time. A lot of legal professional work at a retainer every month. They bill a set amount of time to the client regardless of whether that full time is used or not. It's really one of the simplest and most pure form of entrepreneurship. The freelancer provides a specific service or outcome and the buyer pays them a fee directly. Why are people freelancing? Freelancing provide a lot of flexibility and control to the individual. Most freelancers choose their own or the work that they do. The clients they work with may even be able to work remotely. Freelancing is also a form of entrepreneurship, which means the freelancer has total control of their earning potential. Freelancers are not locked into a salary and so they can earn as much as they are able to bill to their clients. And as a freelancer, you are your own boss. Freelancing provides a lot of variety in the type of work you can do too. If you are someone with a lot of interests and are drawn to trying new things, freelancing can help you explore all kinds of projects and industries. Historically, freelancing isn't something people typically do forever. They either hire other freelancers or employees to build a full agency. They build their own product to replace their freelancing income, or they go back to work full time. Freelancing provides the flexibility many people want in order to figure out their next career move. How much can I get paid freelancing? According to that same 29 studies, the median freelancing income 20 to 28 per hours. Of course, with so many different freelance job available, that number can vary quite a bit. Transcription services may only earn 5 to $10 per hour, while software engineering roles may earn 75 or even hundred of dollar per hour. It's best to compare the freelance rate of your particular skill set to get a good estimate of the expected income you could earn as freelancer. Poison. What are the risks of freelancing? Freelancing comes with both financial and some health risks. In the United States, one of the biggest benefits to full-time employment is access to health care and other financial benefits outside of your typical salary. That may include a 41k 41k retirement plan or company provided health care insurance for freelancers. Being hired an independent contractor generally means companies will not provide those same financial or healthcare benefit to you. So freelancers are on their own when it comes planning for their financial future and enrolling in health insurance coverage. Not only are freelancers on their own to set these benefits up for themselves, but they are also at a bit of disadvantage. When a company negotiates a health insurance policy with a broker, they are often able to get more favorable rates since they are buying in bulk. But as a self-employed individual, you are buying a policy for yourself and your family only, and unfortunately, that means your health insurance may cost more. It, it is easy to set up your own retirement saving account, but there will not be any matching contribution from your employer. And finally, freelancers are responsible for all income coming into the business. If you are unable or unwilling to sell more projects and land more clients, your income will dry up. These risks are all manageable, but they are worth considering before you jump into freelancing full time. What type of work can I do by freelancing? Companies are becoming much more open to and interested in hiring freelancers doing many different types of work. So freelancing has become much more acceptable for a wide variety of roles. Admin support job. Freelancer administrative support jobs include